show you guys around the Bama Breeze, which was our first house on Dauphin Island. And it was kind of a passion project for us, but it's also a very cool place that you can rent. And I wanted to show you around, show you all the cool architectural and design features and all the amenities that we built into this really special house. These stairs are custom built steel and wood stairs with underlight. Makes a really nice night light. At night, we just light that. People can see to go up and down stairs. Obviously the kitchen and dining area is behind me. It's got a full kitchen, oven, stove, all appliances, all dishes and silverware is included. Nice table that seats 8 people easily. We have a bar over here that seats another 4. And the bar here, you can easily, the house sleeps 16 comfortably. We can also seat 16 at the tables and bars very easily. So we have plenty of capacity. You know, it was built to entertain. So upstairs is a second living area. Normally the couch is turned around the other way and looking at the television. But we also have a pool table. And a second laundry behind these doors over here. So with 16 to 18 people in the house, you have plenty of room to be able to do laundry. We have another laundry room downstairs. So lots of room to spread out. And I'll show you something really cool. This folds out into a queen size hide-a-bed, but we also have 2 Murphy beds that fold out of the wall. So one here, and this, so like a lot of times the kids just sort of congregate, they'll bring their video games, and this is like party central for the children. Like I said, there's 6 bedrooms with 6 individual bathrooms, you know, all around the house as well. So. Out of the 6 bedrooms, 4 of them face the Gulf of Mexico right out here. 2 of them face the Mississippi Sound, but all 4 bedrooms that face the ocean have access to their own deck. The 2 upstairs are private decks that only have access from the bedrooms. You have this amazing view up and down the Gulf Coast here. You can see pretty much down the whole island. And then down below you have the larger deck that you enter into the house from, and both bedrooms downstairs have direct access to those decks. Like I said, this view is kind of where it's at. Everybody kind of comes here for this. Very relaxing and beautiful view. You got a great shot of the sunsets from up here every day. Okay, and now we're back downstairs, and the main living room has direct access onto the deck as well as the way most people enter. And you can kind of get a feel for just how close to the ocean we are. Basically every morning and every evening you're going to get to see dolphins cruise by, having their breakfast and their dinner. And like I said, right here, this is kind of great. At the bottom of the stairs, and as you can see, we park under the house. That's where the driveways are. At the moment, we've got a little hurricane erosion that we're fixing right now. So normally you can park about 3 cars on each side under cover, and then the driveway's got room for many more cars. We've had probably 10 cars and RVs parked at each one of these houses at a time, very comfortable. That's kind of the whole access and amenities of the house. We'll take you out on the beach and show you what the whole picture looks like. Hey, so we're out by the water now. You kind of see just how close we are to Bama Breeze. Like I said, this is one we built in 2015. And it's 6 full bed, 6 full bath. All 4 of the bedrooms on the Gulf side have access to the decks. Island Fever next door is our other house that's got a handicap accessible ramp. It only has 5.5 bathrooms because we made it handicap accessible for one of the bathrooms we could find. It's fantastic. We all enjoy staying here. You do too.